Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome to Beyond the Raptor. Excited to install a cabin air filter today in this Ford Raptor. From 2009 to 2014, none of those F-150 pickups had cabin air filters, which is crazy. This Ford Raptor, bred in Baja for dirt and dust and silt, didn't come with one. So we're gonna fix that today with a kit from Infinity Overland and do an install, testing, and review of the system. The kit today from Infinity Overland comes with a filter frame and HEPA air filter and a cover, and this system's designed to be installed underneath the cowl where the system draws in air, and basically a set of simple tools such as a couple pliers and some sockets is all you need to put the system together. The kit also comes with everything you need to seal up the cowl so that this filter can do its job. Detailed list of tools and instructions will be available on beyondtheraptor.com. I'll also put a link in the description, but let's get to it. Okay, pro tip number one, have a rag with some acetone handy so you can thoroughly clean all the surfaces that either get covered by one of these pads or with the sealant that is going to make sure everything is airtight. Pro tip number two, grab a padded moving blanket to protect your hood while you're working on top of it. That way nothing gets banged up and scratched. All right guys, now that that's done, it's time to test the system out. So I'm actually going to create some fog with some dry ice, and then we will remove and add the filter so that we can see what it's like to make sure it's working. Wasn't gonna go on a big dusty road trip, but at least this will give you an idea of how well the system works. Well, there you have it. It seems to work great. I'm excited to be able to rip through the desert without getting a bunch of dust inside of my truck. And if you guys want any more details on this, detailed tools list as well as install instructions will be on beyondtheraptor.com and a link in the description, as well as a link so that you guys can pick up your own kit from Infinity Overland as well. And if you like this content, please subscribe to more reviews and news and events that we're gonna have in the future. And excited to see you guys again.